Welcome to our tutorial on how to print your tasks list in Gmail on your PC. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to help you easily print your tasks and stay organized. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open Gmail on your PC by launching it from your browser or desktop shortcut. Step 2. On the right side of the Gmail interface, you'll find the Tasks option. Click on it to access your task list. Step 3. Next to add a task, you'll see the More icon. Click on it to reveal additional options. Step 4. From the drop-down menu, select Print List to generate a printable version of your tasks list. By following these quick steps, you can effortlessly print your tasks list in Gmail on your PC, allowing you to have a physical copy to reference and keep track of your important tasks. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this information helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials. Stay organized and boost your productivity with Gmail's task management features.